आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. So here we have a question. Prove that the segment of the normal to the curve x equals to 2a sin t plus a sin t cos squared t y equals to minus of a cos cube t contained between co-ordinate axes is equals to 2a. Okay, so I'm going to solve this thing. First of all, I'm going to write the general equation of normal. So basically it is y minus y1 equals to minus of 1 over dy by dx, which is the with negative sign the reciprocal of slope, normal slope, basically the tangent, slope of tangent. It is x minus x1. Okay, so this is the general form. Let's suppose this is my equation 1. Now we have given my y1 and x1. We have to find this dy by dx. So first of all, I'm writing my y. So my y is given as minus of a cos cube t, and my x is given me as 2a sin t plus a sin t cos square t. Okay, now I'm going to differentiate this with respect to t, so it will be dy by dt equals minus of 3a cos square x square t, sorry, and differentiation of cos t is nothing but minus of sin t. Okay, on solving this I will get dy by dt. Okay, dy by dt equals to this minus and minus become plus. It will be 3a cos square t sin t. Okay, now here I'm going to differentiate my x with respect to t. It will be dx by dt equals to differentiation of sin t is nothing but cos t, so it will be cos t plus, here we have to apply the product rule. So a as it is, now I'm writing here my a is as it is. It will be sin t, differentiation is cos t, and it is cos square t as it is, plus differentiation of cos square t, it will be 2 cos t, and cos t differentiation is nothing but minus of sin t, and here we already have 1 sin t, so I'm multiplying sin t. Okay, so basically this is the differentiation. I'm writing it again. It will be dx by dt equals to 2a cos t plus a, it will become cos cube t, plus it will be negative because this is plus and this is minus. It will minus 2 times cos sin square t, cos t sin square t. Okay, so this is complete differentiation of my x. Okay, so now I'm going to find my dy over dx. Okay, which is the slope of the tangent. It will be my dy by dt over dx by dt. Okay, and here I'm writing my dy by dt. It is 3a cos square t sin t over dx by dt. So dx by dt is this, so it is 2a, okay, cos t plus a cos cube t. I'm multiplying this a inside this bracket, minus of 2a sin square t cos t. Okay, I'm solving this thing, so I'm solving first the denominator. It will be 3a cos square t sin t as it is over, here it will be, I'm taking 2a common from here and here, 2a cos t I'm taking common, so it is 2a cos t, it will be 1 minus, here we will left with sin square t plus a cos cube t as it is. Okay, now here if you see carefully, then this is nothing but cos square t, so it will be 3a cos square t, and here we have sin t, okay, over, we have 2a cos t, and this is cos square t, so it will become cos cube t plus a cos cube t. Now from here I can easily add this denominator, so it will be 3a cos square t sin t 3a cos cube t. From here you can clearly see that this 3a will cancel out this 3a, this cos square t will cancel out this thing, so it will be sin t over cos t. Okay, and it is my dy by dx, so I can write my dy by dx, it is nothing but plus of 10 t. Okay, and this is my slope of the tangent basically. Now I'm going to write the equation of normal, and I already told you that equation of normal is y minus y1 from equation 1. So y minus y1, my y1 is minus of a cos cube t. Okay, this is my y1, and it is equals to minus of 1 over dy by dx, which is 10t, and here we have x minus x1. So my x1 is, let me write this thing, x minus x1, you can see here 2a sin t plus a sin t cos square t. I'm writing here 2a sin t plus a sin t cos square t. So this is my x. Okay, complete. Now moving further, I can say that by solving this, it will be equals to y plus a cos cube t, and here it will equals to minus of 1 over sine over cos. Okay, so I can write this thing as cos t over sine t. Okay, and it is x minus 2a sine t plus a sine t cos square t. Okay, now moving further, I'm taking this sine t over here, it will be y sine t plus a sine t cos cube t. Okay, and it will equals to, I'm multiplying this minus cos t inside this bracket, so it will be minus of x cos t, minus minus become plus, and it will be 2a sin t cos t plus a sin t cos cube t. Okay, now if you can see, when we take this thing over here, this will negative and this will cancel out this thing. Okay, from here I can take this over here, so it will be x cos t plus y sin t, it will equals to 2a sin t cos t. Okay, now I'm putting x is equals to 0 here, so I will get my y will be equals to 2a sin t cos t over sin t, and it is nothing but y equals to 2a cos t. Okay, now when we put y is equals to 0, I will get my x is equals to 2a sin t cos t over cos t, and it will be equals to 2a sin t. Okay, so this is my x and this is my y. So from here I can say that the coordinates are, let's suppose my a coordinate is 0 comma, on putting this y equals to 0, I'm writing first coordinate, it is 2a sin t comma 0. Okay, and second point, let's suppose b is 0 comma 2a cos t. Okay, now we have to find the distance between them, so it will be equals to, distance will find like this, ab is equals to under the root this square 2a sin t minus 0 to the square plus 0 minus 2a cos t square, basically the formula x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, so AB is equals to under the root, on squaring them it will be 4a square sin square t plus 4a square cos square t. From here you can clearly see that I can take 4a square common and it will be 2a outside. It will be under the root sin square t plus cos square t, and you already know that sin square t plus cos square t, it is 1, so it is 2a. Okay, so my AB is 2a, which is our final proof. Here in the question we have to prove this thing only, and we have proved already. So that's how, hence proved. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।